Hello, this is Michael James Roy from BSB1B. Today I'll be talking about my wanted ad poster or wanted ad. So, first off, about my wanted ad is this is about my wanted ad. So, we have here wanted barista and of course our, you know, business name and logo and the location. So this is where we will, establish our location, our schedule, full-time and part-time. If, we're looking for that, of course. So our qualifications, we need to have like, you know, friendly and customer oriented, and we also accept con with or without barista experience, and of course training provided na. And also yung kita sad mi nga ng you can work, under minimal supervision, tanawon siya, tanawon siya, yung sakto ra ba yung ipuhat, and willing sad sila mo work on more like flexible hours, weekends, and holidays, like overtime, nga mga works, willing ra gid sila, nangita sa mi ana. And of course, who loves coffee and teamwork. It's really important to have teamwork around the business gid. It's much more like preferable gid na nako and of course the team. So the responsibilities ana as a barista is of course prepare quality espresso based on drinks and other beverages. That's your responsibility to deliver those coffee, of course, because you're a barista. And of course, maintain cleanliness of the counter and equipment, and provide excellent customer service, assist in daily operations. So that's your responsibility. Now we will be talking about on how am I going to you know uh what do you call that, what type of approach on like recruitment to find the barista, what type. So I will be picking a uh external approach because it's much more fitting since this is a coffee, and tagaan ang mga young individuals, opportunities actually. So first off, how unsaon ko ni siya kuan pag you know pag-execute na gyud sa akong external recruitment. So first off, I would be posting job ads around social media like Facebook, Instagram. Dili ra sad kana, we also uh print posters and paste it near a school or public areas, a plaza, maybe crowded places, because di- dira lang nga kanang tawag na dira lang namo gi paste, or like dira lang gid namo gi advertise among wanted ad, because it's much more like crowded, and of course give opportunities to young individuals who are looking for full-time and part-time jobs, maybe like baka tabang, or give opportunities, or maybe na sila potential eventually. Yeah, we also accept walk-in applications and in the branch or Cafe de Cebu. So this, all I said, this can also of course help us find the you know find a lot of people to reach, and also attract fresh passionate workers who are interested in the coffee and customer service. So that's you know everything about on how are we going to execute our approach. So why nako ning gipili, uh it's like It's much more fitting if external recruitment among ipili because it allows coffee shop to find new talent, fresh ideas, and enthusiastic employee from outside the business. It gives opportunities to those mga bata pa or young, who are eager to learn and grow, and also those people who are looking for part-time job or full-time jobs. And of course, this approach helps us, create diverse, creative, and motivated team that can make the, cafe more like, welcoming and unique. Because if makapangita na ta na ka ng nga specifics, specific nga, you know, worker or the right man for the job, dako gyud siya impact if he knows a lot or na siya experience. Pwede ra sa ba, pero that's just like I said, we would give chance to those people who doesn't have any experience, or they just wanted to expand their knowledge on business ba, or this type of hobby, job, or passion, of course. So if we find the right man, dakog siya impact sa business. Just like I said, the cafe will be more unique and welcoming because bata ka ba, hindi ka nang kanang introduce siya og mga kanang like mga innovation na kanuhay, and maybe he'll discover something much more like easier good instead nga kanang lisod gani. So that's pretty much all nga akong ma-share about this my wanted ad. Thank you for listening.